Hello students, welcome back to a new video of Sunanda's tutorial. In this video we will discuss the composition, structure and function of biomolecule vitamins. So it comes under the unit 1 of CSIR NET Life Science syllabus, which is molecules and their interaction relevant to biology. So in this video we will discuss about vitamins. So these are organic micronutrients that act primarily as precursor to many coenzymes. So at first, what is micronutrients? Micronutrients are also essential for our body but required in a very less amount. And what is coenzymes? These are small non-protein organic molecule that binds to an enzyme to help it to catalyze chemical reactions. Okay. Now they are structurally diverse. There are different kinds of vitamins with different kinds of chemical structures, chemical functions, and they do not yield energy directly. We can't directly consume energy or directly yield energy from any vitamin. So now we can categorize vitamin into two broad category: water soluble vitamins and water fat soluble vitamins. Water soluble vitamins, under water soluble vitamins, B complex and vitamin C is there. They are generally not stored by the body except B12 and function directly as or within coenzymes. Fat soluble vitamins like A, D, E and K, they require bile for absorption and stored in the liver or adipose tissue, usually act via cellular receptors or specific post translational modifications. Okay. So now we will discuss one by one. At first, B complex. There are two types of vitamins, B complex and C, which are water soluble. They can soluble with the water. They can easily soluble in the water. So at first, vitamin B complex. Most B complex vitamins function as essential precursor for metabolic coenzymes. Coenzymes are small non-protein organic molecule binds to the enzyme and help to catalyze a chemical reaction. So under B complex, many vitamins are there: B1, B2, B3, B5 like this. At first, thiamine or vitamin B1. The active form of vitamin B1 is thiamine pyrophosphate, TPP, thiamine pyrophosphate, involved in oxidative decarboxylation and transketolase reaction. Next is vitamin B2, riboflavin, and the active form of it is flavin adenine dinucleotide, FAD. Remember, the active form of vitamin B2 or riboflavin is FAD or flavin adenine dinucleotide, and FMN, flavin mononucleotide. They act as electron carriers. When the deficiency takes place, the deficiency causes riboflavinosis. Okay. Next, vitamin B3 or niacin. The active forms are NAD+, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, and nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. Okay. Functions in hydride transfer and dehydrogenase reaction, and the deficiency of it causes pellagra. Okay. And pellagra include dermatitis, diarrhea, dementia. Next, B5 or pantothenic acid, constituent of coenzyme A and S cell carrier protein SCP, crucial for S cell group transfer during TCA cycle as well as fatty acid metabolism. Next, B6 or pyridoxine. The active form of it is pyridoxal phosphate, which act in transamination during the formation of amino acids, decarboxylation reaction, and glycogen phosphorylase reactions. Its deficiency leads to convulsions or microcystic anemia. Okay. Then B7 or biotin, which act as mobile carboxyl carrier for carboxylation reaction of pyruvate after the glycolysis process, and its deficiency also cause dermatitis and alopecia. Vitamin B9 or folate, its active form is tetrahydrofolate. It carries 1 carbon units for pyrene and pyrimidine and DNA synthesis. Its deficiency causes megaloblastic anemia and neural tube defects. Vitamin B12 or cobalamin, its active form is methylcobalamin and 5-deoxyadenosyl-cobalamin. It handles the intramolecular rearrangement, methyl group transfer, and its deficiency cause pernicious anemia and neurological lessons. So it's all about vitamin B complex. Now ascorbic acid or vitamin C. Vitamin C, which act as antioxidant, a reducing agent in hydroxylation of proline or lysine during collagen synthesis, and maintains iron in reduced ferrous state. And the main important point, unlike B vitamins or B complex, vitamin C does not function as a bound coenzyme. Okay. And its deficiency causes scurvy, and the main symptoms are bleeding gums, impaired wound healing. Okay. Next, fat soluble vitamins, vitamin A, E, D and K. The chemical name of vitamin A is retinol, which is the alcohol form, retinal, which is the aldehyde form, and retinoic acid is the acidic form of vitamin A. Active visual pigment. So 11-cis retinal binds to opsin to form rhodopsin in rod cells for phototransduction. So do you know what is phototransduction? It is a biochemical process in vertebrates. Vertebrate photoreceptor cell, which are rods and cones in retina, convert light energy to electrical signal, which the brain then translate to visual image. So finally vitamin A helps in the visualization. Okay. And during the visualization, 11-cis retinal binds to opsin to form rhodopsin in rod cell for phototransduction, that means conversion of light energy to electrical signal. Then key enzyme retinol dehydrogenase converts retinol to retinal in the visual cycle. Next, solubility. Vitamin A is fat soluble and stored primarily in the liver. Okay. And its deficiency causes nyctalopia or night blindness. It is the earliest clinical sign due to rod cell failure in dim light, progressing to xerophthalmia or corneal dryness or damage. Okay. Next, golden rice connection. So vitamin A generally linked in questions regarding the transgenic plant. Golden rice uses the phytoin synthase from daffodil and phytoin desaturase from bacteria to synthesize beta carotene in endosperm. Okay. And beta carotene is pro-vitamin A, from where it is the precursor of vitamin A, from where vitamin A can be synthesized. Okay. Next, vitamin D. Vitamin D is also fat soluble, and it is obtained through sunlight exposure. It regulates the calcium and phosphorus balance in our body. It obtained through sunlight exposure, diet and supplements, and is converted in the body into the active form to support the bone and immune system. Source: vitamin B2 or ergocalciferol, plant derived from Next one is the vitamin K, phylloquinone or menaquinone. The scientific name of vitamin K is phylloquinone or menaquinone, and the active form is hydroquinone. Okay. Biochemical mechanism, it is an obligate factor for the enzyme gamma glutamyl carboxylase. Okay. This enzyme, actually this is the T for this enzyme adds carboxyl group to glutamate residues on clotting factor and proteins like osteocalcin, creating a bidentate site that binds to calcium ion to anchor these proteins to platelet phospholipid membranes. And the deficiency of vitamin K can cause hemorrhagic disease, that means the prolonged blood clotting time. And warfarin acts as a structural antagonist of this vitamin K by blocking vitamin K epoxide reductase. Actually, this warfarin blocks the activity of vitamin K in liver. Okay. So it is all about different types of vitamins present in our body with many biochemical functions, and its deficiency can cause many dangerous diseases. So with this I am concluding my lecture video here on vitamins, and if you liked it, please hit the like button, share with your other friends, and please subscribe to my channel Sunanda's Tutorial. Thank you. Stay tuned.